Well, I was headed home and trying to take a video of this horrible, crazy storm, one of the worst storms I've ever seen, and the video did not take. So I'm at home now, and the lightning is flashing out here like a strobe light. My poor kitty was out in it, and you can see there the trees are lighting up. I'm just going to leave this on for a little bit. I think the storm has pretty much gone past, and the lightning is still kind of crazy. It's thunder non-stop, so fun times. Fun times. Yeah, this poor phone doesn't take as good a video as I would like, but there you go. Nice. Let's hear some more thunder, and then we'll go.